They do when you wish upon a star. Makes no difference who you are. Anything your heart desires will come.
Good evening, friends. We'd like to welcome you. I know you're so excited, you just can't wait to start the show now, but I think it's only fair that we start, or we know something about the organizers of this group, and that is the Filipino Cruways at the Filipino Musical Academy. The History started on the 26th of January 2006 when the Holy Family Chorale was founded by Lenny and Jesse. This group lasted for 4 years. One of their major show was done on the 15th of March 2009 in Teatro San Leone Magno. Thereafter, though, they had to give up their post because they wanted to give the other members the possibility to take over the responsibilities, and then dedicated themselves fully to the Cruways. But then the passion is so intense and overwhelming by Lenny and Jesse, and they just couldn't help, wanting to really give the opportunities to the talented young Filipinos develop their real talents. And so they invested in this one, and instead of leaving them or saying them hanging out around, they founded the Filipino Musical Academy, and this is when this whole group was born. The first major musical concert of the Filipino Musical Academy was done 2 years ago in July of 2010 with the Peter Pan, The Flying High Colors. It was a success. And part of the process of this, most important, is that it was donated to the Bantay Bata of the Philippines. And now, they could not just go on like this, they could not leave it because they wanted to continue dedicating themselves to this kind of activity, raising funds, helping out, and now they came up with this new musical program, Broadway, entitled When You Wish Upon a Star. This one, the benefit, the funds, part of this process will go to the victims of the Sendong flood that happened in the Philippines. So friends, sit back, enjoy, and here we go. Enjoy. Bye.